Okay. So in this example, this is precession. You drop a stone in the water, and without exception, it'll create ripples. You don't ever drop a stone in the water and say, okay, this time there's no exception. Always. So when I'm moving, there's ripples going this way. Okay, so that's kind of a simple way of doing it. The reason this works is precession and other things. So what I want you, for us to grow as the Rich Dad group, what happens for most people is they want to be effective in the world, but they have no precession. See, to go out into the world, you need to have precession. And precession starts here. It has to be very tight at the core. Very, very tight. And the Marine Corps is very tight. Military is very tight. Religions are very tight. School systems, exactly as Sean, of course, says in this book here, not tight at all. It's divide and conquer.